Greetings everyone. In this video we will talk about financial statements and we will have a little bit more focus on profit and loss statement. Financial statements are a set of 5 statements. First one is profit and loss statement, which is also called income statement or statement of financial performance. Second one is balance sheet, or it's also called statement of financial position. Third one is cash flow statements. Fourth is statement of changes in equity. Fifth one is notes to financial statements, which explain different items in this different statements listed above. Financial statements also has comparatives in it. It could be budget or it could be last year's amounts. It's just to give bit more information to the reader so that they can look at the trend of business performance, whether it's going high or going low compared to the previous periods. Now let's talk about profit and loss statement. This is the statement which shows how business performed during the period given. It could be 1 year, which is normally the period that we report on. It tells whether business made a profit or loss. Because it's reporting performance of the business, it's also called statement of financial performance. Now there are 9 main sections in a profit and loss statement. First one is revenue, which is the sales the business has made. Second is cost of goods sold, so how much money you had to spend on buying the stuff which you are selling. And then difference between these two is gross profit. And then you list all your operating expenses. It could be selling expenses, it could be the rent you are paying, it could be advertisement, it could be the office expenses, the stationery you bought. So it's all other expenses except interest and depreciation. The difference between gross profit and operating expenses is earning before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization. It's also called EBITDA. Then you list your interest you would have paid on money you bought for the business. Then you take the depreciation out for the assets. Then you calculate the tax on whatever the residual income is, and difference between residual income and the tax is your net income or loss. Here is an example of a very simple profit and loss statement. As you can see, sales came at the top, then cost of goods sold, then gross profit is listed there, and then operating expenses and so on. And you will also see that we listed the amounts for 2021, which is the current year, and then 2020 as well. It's just to see how business is performing over a couple of years. You could see this business is going in a growth mode. Last year it had profit of 15,000 and this year it has 56,000. Hope this helps in understanding a little bit more about profit and loss. Thank you very much.